Now we will do the ray diagram. Today we will do the ray diagram for concave mirror. First case, when the object is at infinity. Infinity is a point which is very far. Clear? Suppose sun. Now this is your concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature, principal axis. Suppose when the object is at infinity, the ray which are coming from the object which is at infinity, we will assume the rays are coming parallel. Clear? So here we will take these incident ray which are parallel to the principal axis. After refraction through this concave mirror, clear? After refraction, what is the rule? Rule is when the ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, they will go through the focus. So this will also go through the focus. This will also go through the focus. So all these rays after reflection will go through the focus. You have to draw the arrow. Clear? So we will write the characteristics of the image. This is a ray diagram. Now characteristics of image. When the object is at infinity. So first, the rays are actually meeting. So image is real. Clear? Where it is meeting? At focus. Third, the object which is at infinity is very big in size, and here the size of the image is very small. So you will write highly diminished. Diminished means very small in size. Now fourth, when the image is real, it will be always inverted. So this is a ray diagram when the object is at infinity. Now case number 2, when the object is beyond C. Beyond C means center of curvature. Beyond means center of curvature के बाहर. Clear? Got it? So keep this thing in mind. So this is your object. This is your object AB. So this is beyond center of curvature. Now you know the object, through object number of rays are coming. But for the ray diagram, we will take only 2 rays coming from the object. First ray you will take parallel to the principal axis. This is an incident ray. This will be parallel to the principal axis. Second ray you will take, that is through center of curvature. Clear? Second ray will fall on the center of curvature. Now after reflection, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection the rule is it will go through the focus. And the rule, when the ray fall on center of curvature, after reflection it retrace. It will return back to the same path. So where these 2 rays are meeting? These 2 rays are meeting at this point. Can you see? So this point. So this is your A dash, this is your B dash. Now we will write the characteristics of image. This is your image. So characteristic of image form when the object is beyond center of curvature. First, the rays are actually meeting. So image is real. So real image is always inverted. Clear? Third, the size, see the size of the object and see the size of the image. Image size is small. So you will only write diminished. Clear? That means small in size. Fourth, where it is formed between the center of curvature and focus. So you will write between C and F. C means center of curvature and F means focus. Now third case, when the object is at C. C means center of curvature. So here is the object at point C. So let the object be AB. Clear? So this is your object. Again we will take 2 rays are coming from the object. One is parallel to the principal axis. This is your incident ray. Second ray will not able to go through the center of curvature because the object is at center of curvature. So second ray incident ray will go through the focus now. So after reflection, when the ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection through this mirror, it will go through the focus. Rule. Now, rule next. When the ray falls on the focus and after reflection, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Clear? So, this will go through the focus this way. Arrow. And this is an arrow. Now, where the rays are meeting? The rays are meeting at this point. So, this is your image of an object AB. A dash, B dash. So, what is the characteristics of an image when the object is placed at center of curvature? So, have you seen when the object is a center of curvature, the image is also formed at the center of curvature. Rays are actually meeting, so you will write down real image, second inverted, third at center of curvature, fourth same size. Clear? So this is a third ray diagram when the object is at center of curvature.